that you're gonna dance tonight with me. First of all, find some high heels and put it on. It's necessary for this choreography that I'm gonna show you tonight. And also you will feel yourself more confidence and you will understand those moves better. So stop this video and put it on. Let's start it. We're making one step front, one step back. Very easy, really slow. We have 4 counts. That means 1, 2, go back, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. That's all. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Your hands, they're making around your head, on your shoulder, and they're pushing to the front. With your legs, it's going around your head to the shoulder, and after that, when we make one step back, we are pushing front. One more time, slowly. Step front, step back. One more time. Step front, step back. After that, we are making one step to the side, one step to the side. That means I go in left, I put my hips to the left, then I'm going right, and I put my hips to the right. Let's go one more time from the top. 1, 2, push it back, and step, step. After that, I make with my knee demi-plie. That means I'm going down and up. And also I change position with my hips. I go in from left, I go in from right to left. I show you all moves like I'm your mirror, like it's mirrored, yes? It's your left hand and it's your right hand. That's why I'm telling that I'm making from the right to the left. So you repeat everything like you're looking in the mirror, yes? One more time from the top. 7, 8. 1, 2. Push it and step, step, go down and up. After that, we are making slide, slide, and put your legs together. Yes? Your hand are helping you. Your hand helps you. You put your legs together. After that, you make kick ball change. Your left go in front, step, step. It's kick, ball, change. Yes, let's do it. 7, 8. After that, slide, slide together. Kick, ball, change. One more time. 7, 8. 1, 2. Kick, ball, change. After that, I make one step cross and my left hand going up. After that, I make one step to the side and another hand going up, like that. So one more time with it from slide. 1, 2. Kick, ball, change. Step, step. Yes. Really easy, really slowly. Let's do it again from the slide. Slide, 2, kick, ball, change, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. That means 7 and 8. I'm just shaking. 7 and 8. Hands shaking also. Boobs shaking. Maybe a little bit also your ass. Yes, let's do it one more time from the slide. It's the second 8. 7, 8. 1, 2. Kick, ball, change, and step, step. 7, 8. After that, 7, 8. Put your hands down from this position. Your right elbow is going back. After that, you change your elbow and another one going back, like going back, and also make a little impulse, make a little wave. Like whoa, whoa, yes? It's a 1 and 2. So it was shake it, stop. 1, 2. After that, we're shaking again. We are shaking and put your legs together. Put your legs together, shake, shake, pump. Cross your hands, tuck, and fingers. So it was 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, we are making one step to the front and your hands are making a big round to your eyes. And after that, your hands crossing each other and they are going down with a little circle, with a little circle point. So, with a step, we are making little step and little wave. That means wave, eyes. After that, we are sitting in this position and your hands are crossing and going down with a little circle. Let's do it one more time. Roll, eyes and cross and down. One more time. Roll, eyes and cross and down. One more time. 1, 2, and 3 and 4. One more time from the top. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yes, let's do one more time. 2 8s from the beginning. Let's go. 7, 8 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and a 5, 6, 7 and 8. Pa 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 pa. Yeah. So let's try it with music. Let's do it. Enjoy it. 5, 6, 7, 8.
I know you want me. Everything I told you when you're lonely. Yeah, I see you think you know me, but you don't even know nothing about me. Yeah, you see my thick thighs. Last when you look into my brown eyes. See my little estimate.
After that, we're going back. We're going back and we make a round with your legs. Your left leg going back and sit. And again, going back with a round and sit. Hands, they are, let's do hands. No, let's do without hands. Without hands. They are just let them down and focus on the camera. Like whoa, ha, whoa, ha. Yes, do nothing with your hands. Just feel your shoulders, make them down, your chest to the sun. Feel your body. Yes? That means we were 5, 6, 7, 8. It's the 1, 2 and the round, 4 and a step, step. Yes, we are making 2 steps like a catwalk. Step, step. With the third one, we turn around and look into the camera. Yeah, and we push our hips a little bit also to the camera, like, huh, what, like what? Yes, so it was 5, 6, 7, 8. Go back, sit, go back, sit, step, step, what? After what, you turn around and you turn around a little bit, like a preparación. Preparación, like you make some preparation for a head, for a head, for a head, for a head. You turn your head 4 times and you going down with your knees. Yes? You're going 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5 you're going up. 6, 7, and 8. You're going up like somebody taking you and help you. Up. 6, 7, and 8. 7 and 8. Your hands are free. It could be like that. It could be like that. It could be like that. And shake a little bit your paw. It's 7, 8. So that's all for today. I mean, that was all choreography. So let's repeat it slowly, a little bit quicklier, and with music 2 times. Let's do it really slowly from the top. 7, 8, 1, 2, push it, and a 5, and a 6, go down and up, slide together, kick, ball, change, and step, step, shake it, stop, and go back, shake it, cross, go in front, eyes, and crossing circle, sit, go back, sit, go back, sit, go front, and look, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, go up, shake it, stop. Very good. Let's do it a little bit faster. From the top. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 1, and a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's do it with music. 5, 6, 7, 8.
I know you want me. Everything I told you when you're lonely. Yeah. So you think you know me, but you don't even know nothing about me. Yeah. You see my thick thighs, lost when you look into my brown eyes. See my little ways can make you switch sides. You never know the devil in a disguise. So why don't you stand up, baby? Tell me, do you want me on the top? So let me show you. I don't need to back it up.
Thank you so much that you are with me. See you next lesson.